How do you do
In
it? Like in this video or in this video?
this video.
In,
Sige.
pasabay tayo.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
In-
In this video.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And as you can see, wala pa din ako sa Manila, but we're going to give you a quick update. And this siguro a quick update lang with the Bitcoin price action as well as SLP. So diba sa ating previous video natin, sabi natin, what we have to monitor is a declining price with an increasing RSI. Kasi in that case, makita tayo ng ganung movement, then we are going to see a short-term bullish divergence. And look at this guys, we saw that movement played out exactly as predicted. So, diba, sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, the price is declining, pwede pa tayo mag-drop lower, pero at the moment now we see a bullish divergence, then we might see a short-term bullish trend reversal. And take note guys, short-term lang siya. Kasi may mga iba nagsasabi na aakit na ulit si SLP, dire-diretso. When in fact, if they're going to zoom out, di nila nakita na, yun lang talaga naging custom pump. So in this case, ano ba yung magiging next movement ni SLP? So with that being said, let's give you a quick analysis. So if you're going to look at this, we saw a declining price while the RSI was increasing. So that's why we saw a bullish movement to the upside. So some of it may be deceiving, sabihin na tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-akit ng price when in fact, it was just a short-term movement. But if you're going to look at the RSI, overbought na siya. So that indicated this, it's another selling opportunity. So diba, lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi na you have to follow the RSI before entering into any trade. And if you have followed the RSI, especially in the early time frame, you can see na nag-play out yung bullish divergence natin. So right now, ano ba yung next thing na kailangan i-watch out dito? So as you can see, if you're going to zoom out sa ating 4-hour time frame, kasi sa early time frame, you can see na nag-overbought tayo, pero other than that, wala nang ibang indicators na nagsasabi kung ano next movement natin. Other than this resistance forming within the early time frame. Pero on top of that, I think mas kailangan natin tingnan yung 4-hour. Pero siguro just a quick note dito sa early, if magkaroon tayo ng breakout done dito sa ating early time frame, then siguro doon tayo mag-expect ng somewhat na move. Pero I think in order for us to confirm that move, kailangan ng buy volume. But sa ngayon, wala tayong nakikitang breakout dyan sa movement 10. But let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see na the RSI is still declining. So that is indicating na it's not actually a healthy move pa din kay SLP kasi as you can see, it's still declining. So kahit umakit pa din si SLP dito na paakyat, if let's say na we saw a short-term breakout sa ating early, pero if yung RSI niya is still declining, then that is still a bad sign. So, kung gusto niyo humabol kay SLP, I don't think na maganda siya humabol. Pero let's say, if you're just trading it for the short term, then okay siya. Pero as of now, we are still remaining bearish dito kay SLP. Kasi as you can see, RSI is not yet increasing, it's still declining, and traditionally, it's a bad sign. So, if habol kay SLP, ulit-ulit ko sa inyo sinasabi na, long term, I don't think it's a good thing pa. Kasi look at that. Declining pa din yung RSI, we are only going to say na it's healthy if let's see, we are going to enter from a bullish divergence, which is nakita natin sa previous movement. And di ba ilang beses ko na sa inyo sinasabi na only enter if we are going to see a bullish indicators, especially if you want to invest for the long term. Bullish indicators talaga yung maganda. And kailangan natin ng confirmation by having candle closes such as a daily or 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, right now, nag-play out pa din natin previous analysis. And yeah, siguro don't mislead yourself into saying na akit siya dire-diretso. You have to watch out for the technicals talaga, especially within the RSI. So right now, as of the time being, what we have to monitor is the RSI if we are going to break this previous high. But yeah, hindi siya masyadong healthy pa sa ngayon kung ako tatanungin nyo. Kasi that could be a possible dead cat bounce. In that case, if this was a dead cat bounce, then possible na ma-reject tayo ulit and then bumalik tayo sa 50 MA. And I think the deciding factor dito kay SLP price action will be this 50 MA in within the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to follow SLP, follow the RSI, and then sa 4-hour time frame, what you have to watch out for is the 50 MA. Let's say nag-consolidate ito further kay SLP. Then once na nag-touch tayo dito sa 50 MA, dun tayo makita ng big move kay SLP. Either to the upside or to the downside. But that is yet to be seen kasi hindi pa tayo umabot doon. So right now, we have to wait that one out. So that is for the time being kay SLP na you have to monitor bearish divergence, RSI, as well as the 50 moving average within the 4-hour time frame. Pero guys, if you want to long or short SLP, the only place that you can actually do that is actually with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. And siguro, let's do a quick update with the Bitcoin price. So, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, we were actually monitoring this Bitcoin price action na meron tayong possible falling wedge forming within the early or the 4-hour time frame. And in order for us to confirm this move, we need a buy volume, which is right now, hindi tayo nakita ng buy volume. So, that is not a confirm move. But generally, the trend dito kay Bitcoin price is we are going to expect more consolidation between the 41.5K or 41.4K up until the 45.7K. Kasi if you're going to zoom out dito, especially in the daily, this area is actually a Fibonacci retracement area na support and resistance. So if you're going to look at this, this is a pretty strong support and resistance area na you have to watch out talaga. And it could actually take days bago tayo makita ng move kasi possible na mag-consolidate tayo dyan further. But if you're going to look at the 20 and 50, siguro the moment na mag-touch yung 20 within the 50 or pag nag-converge yung ating moving averages kasi that would indicate na the price are now possibly hinting na magkakaroon tayo ng possible move, then doon tayo mag-expect ng somewhat of either a bullish or bearish movement. So as of the time being, we have to wait this one out. I think patience na talaga dito for the Bitcoin price for the time being. I think we're just going to expect more sideways action, not unless if makita tayo ng movement within the 20 and 50-day moving average dito kay Bitcoin price action, if mag-touch yung, or if mag-converge yung ating mga moving averages. So for the time being, we just have to be patient lang right now. Wag nyo siguro madaliin yung pag-trade nyo dito. Kasi look at this, we're just pretty much moving sideways within the past 10 days siguro. Kasi look at this, since February 4 tayo nagko-consolidate kay Bitcoin after that massive pump. And then ever since after February 4, we have just been moving sideways na dito with the Bitcoin price action. So when in doubt, always remember to zoom out kasi sometimes short-term price action can be misleading. And if you're going to look at this in the early as well as in the 4-hour time frame, nag-move sideways lang tayo with the Bitcoin price action. So patience lang talaga, guys. So ayun muna update natin for the time being. And if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.